Today we're taking a look at the Batoca Mini Polisher, and more importantly, how it stacks up against the Autobrite MP-9, one of the budget-friendly machines on the market that I have been using for a few years. The Autobrite MP-9 is a common machine available under several different brand names for circa £200. Let's see how the cheaper Batoca machine stacks up. Starting with the unboxing. This is where the Batoca really stands out. You get a huge amount of accessories in the box, multiple backing plates, pads, and attachments. For beginners, that's a big plus, because you can get straight to work. That said, the quality of the accessories is fairly low. They're fine to get started, but for best results, you'll want to upgrade to better pads. This machine, as does the MP-9, also operates as a rotary and a DA, simply by changing the heads over. The MP-9 also came with a decent amount of accessories and of a similar quality to the Batoca ones, nothing to shout about. Size-wise, it's very similar to the MP-9, but the MP-9 does feel slightly more refined in its balance and overall ergonomics. In the hand, the Batoca feels good. The weight is well balanced and light enough for extended use, which is ideal for motorcycle detailing, where you're working around tight and awkward areas like engine cases, wheels, and fork legs. One feature I really like is the quick release mechanism. Changing backing plates is fast and easy, and it genuinely makes life simpler when moving between different areas of a bike. Where the Batoca falls behind the Autobrite MP-9 is in refinement. It's noticeably noisier, especially at higher speeds, and you do get more vibration through the machine. The MP-9 feels smoother, quieter, and more controlled overall, which makes it nicer to use for longer sessions. Another downside with the Batoca is the speed control. When you switch the machine off, it stays on the same speed setting when you turn it back on. That's not ideal, as it's easy to forget what speed you were on and suddenly be straight back into a higher setting than intended. In terms of performance, the Batoca does a solid job for the money. With decent pads and polish, it's capable of light correction and finishing work, particularly on motorcycles. So the verdict is this. The Batoca Mini Polisher offers good value and a lot in the box, but it comes with compromises. It's a good option for beginners, budget-conscious users, or as a secondary machine. If you want a smoother, quieter, more refined experience, then there are better options, albeit at a higher price. As always, choose the tool that fits your needs, your budget, and the type of detailing you actually do.